Yes, today's been windy and cold, but in general, December has been a mild and mainly snow-free month. Let's take a look at the month so far to date. Our average temperature for the month is 34.4 degrees. That's way above average by a little over 7 degrees. Haven't had a lot of precipitation in terms of that, 0.71 inches. That's below average. Way below average in terms of snowfall. It's just at 1.7 inches. The December average is 12 inches. So we have a long ways to go to make up that, and I just don't see it in the forecast. Number of days above average, 17. Number of days below average, 0. That gives you an idea of how mild this month has been. But today we had cold weather, no doubt about it. Strong northwesterly winds really gusted, especially earlier in the morning. Got as high as 45 miles per hour in Lone Rock, 44 in Black Earth, Madison 40, Monroe 38, Portage 37 miles per hour, Juneau at 36. And that just sent the temperature down. We were during the morning yesterday close to 40 degrees, but the mercury started to fall yesterday afternoon with the passage of a strong cold front, and it's just been tumbling ever since. 24-hour temperature change looks like this. Yes, considerably colder by about 15 degrees. And here are those current readings, which are near the 20-degree mark in most spots, including 21 in Lone Rock, also Monroe. It's 19 in Mineral Point, 23 degrees in Watertown. And the upper Midwest region, cold, even though it does warm up off to the west. Denver is on the mild side at 52 degrees. Eventually, that mild weather is going to reach us. Pretty quiet across the region. We just have that wind blowing, single-digit wind chills for the most part, so it's definitely the coldest day we've had so far in December. But in terms of precipitation, that's all shifted off to the east. A major storm went up the eastern seaboard over the weekend, finally starting to move out of northern New England. The rain's now confined to Maine, but starting Friday and going through the weekend, this is what happened. Actually, started Saturday. Widespread rains. Doppler estimated rainfall shows 5-6 inches, and that shading was widespread across the Florida peninsula all the way up the eastern seaboard. It rained heavily. There was flooding because of that. But for us, high pressure is drifting through. That high will keep it nice and quiet. For tomorrow, we'll have filtered sunshine. That'll be the case on Wednesday too. Temperatures are going to be warming up. Now this cold front will pass through, putting a temporary end to the warm front, but we will at least have highs in the upper 30s, near 40 degrees on Thursday. But then the front moves northward, temperatures surge well into the 40s on Saturday, with even milder air on the way for Sunday and Christmas Day. Temperatures overnight will be dropping down into the teens, so it will be a cold night. But we start the warming trend tomorrow a little bit. At least we'll get up above the 30-degree mark. We'll be starting off in the upper 20s Wednesday morning. We'll be close to 40 degrees on Wednesday. And after that, after leveling off there on Thursday too, temperatures will turn even warmer over the weekend. It's all about rain chances, not snow. 40% chance Friday, 50% chance of rain, good chance for Sunday and Monday. It's just going to be too mild for any kind of snow. So overnight, mostly clear skies. Cold with blustery winds decreasing, low down to 14 degrees. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, seasonably cold. A little bit warmer than today, with a high topping off at 34. After that, for your Wednesday and Thursday, partly sunny skies, highs near the 40-degree mark. We get into the mid-40s Friday, upper 40s Saturday, and there's Sunday and Monday. Highs up around 50 degrees, not too far away from record warmth, and all the precipitations in the form of rain Friday, Sunday, and Christmas Day.
I'm dreaming of a warm Christmas.
A wet Christmas.
A wet Christmas.
Wet Christmas. Soggy Christmas. All right, thank you, Bob.